And you want the trunk?
Get this. I'm not talking about it. You
Do
go
well
like
with
that.
them.
You go like that. It's like a zipper. Can I?
No, it's dumb.
No, you have to guess what dog you get. No, it's fine.
No.
Can I
Boring.
get it?
Maybe.
A little surprise. But it's a doll. Ball pits. Phoenix got this one. Phoenix got this one. Color. Easy. This is just what I want. And there's a little sister's packet too. It's very cute. Daddy, I need to buy something.
Okay. Say something to the camera.
Batman.
Say something to the camera.
Hello. This is the
Stop. You should leave her alone. No, no.
Daddy, can I buy something?
What?
I need to buy something. This is what you're saying.
I know.
My hair. Like that, and then right off. I just did it in case I need help.
Using their unique personality as your style guide, design homes for hundreds of animal villages. Amiibo Park also introduced some of Animal Crossing's more exclusive villagers.
Daddy, I need to buy something.
Go.
It's your world. Design it. Animal Crossing Happy Home Designer, only for Nintendo 3DS.
Yeah, you want that?
So, Daddy, first you get like a clue, and then you get like a sticker if the color changes or something. I like tinkles or something. Tinkles. And there's like a little chart. There's a little chart that you get at the end, and you collect stuff. Stop it. It's in birthday. band. We're at Toys R Us. Hi. I want to buy small stuff. These are old-fashioned. Alexis, somebody has this. Like these are Gokia has this. Like these are old-fashioned. Savannah has that. These are old-fashioned. I'm serious. These are all old-fashioned. These are so pretty. Which one is pretty? That one. Daddy, those are real though. These are all like real. It's a girl. These are all like new ones, but these ones are here. These are old fashioned. I'm serious.
Really?
Old fashioned. Open the bum. This.